presentation of currency specific price list in Business by Design. Companies sell consumer products based on something called as psychological pricing. Example, how often you see an Apple iPhone being sold at $1,000 in US and €1,000 in Germany. So multiple prices in different currencies are maintained, and it's not always one-to-one currency conversion followed. Enable the feature Navigate to Business Configuration Overview screen. Search for Configure Price Strategy activity. Click on that. Now navigate to Access Sequence where you can create a new access sequence for price list, because we are trying to create a new price list, and here user can see two different price lists, pre-delivered currency dependent price list and product category specific price list. These are currency specific. Select the currency dependent price list. Here the currency is the key, and now click on save and close, which saves the access sequence. Now navigate to pricing group assignments, and here select the pricing as the entry, because you're trying to maintain a pricing group of prices. And now click on add row option, and here there are two pricing tables, header and item. In the header you may select the newly created currency dependent price list, and now select the product here in the item, because you're trying to maintain a product specific currency price list. Enter any user defined description and click on save and close. With this we have maintained the pricing group assignments and the access sequence associated with it. Now we're done with the configuration. Now user can start maintaining the master data. For that, navigate to product and service portfolio work center. Now the newly created price list should be appearing here, which is currency dependent price list. Now user can see and click on new price list, where user enters the relevant information like the name of the price list. The important thing is select the currency as US. There are two currencies, one is a standard currency and custom currency. Maintain the same currency, and click on item and enter the product for which you are trying to maintain prices. Here in the example we saw, we are maintaining €1,000 and dollars for both price lists. So for the first price list we maintain for a given product 1000 USD. Now create a new price list, that is a euro specific price list. For that, create a new price list, enter the relevant description as euro, and make sure you select the currency, standard and custom currency as same. Here in this case euro, and after selecting euro, maintain the relevant description, and for a given product, the same product, maintain the currency and the price as 1,000 euros, because that's what our pricing strategy is. We maintain same price in different currencies. Now release the price list and make sure the prices are valid as of today. And on refresh you see there are two price lists created, one for euro and US dollars for the same validity period and the relevant keys. And the prices, if I check cross check the prices for a given product, one in price list it is 1000 US dollars and another 1000 euros. Now let's try creating a sales order and how the prices gets picked. Create a new sales order, enter the account and the product information for which we maintain the prices. As you could see, the prices being picked is 1000 US dollars, and we go navigate to the pricing tab and see the prices are picked from the US specific price list, which is 1000 USD. That is because the currency at the in the header is USD. Yeah, now let's select euro as the currency, and with this now we should have the prices being picked from the euro specific price list, which is 1000 euros. So with this now what we could understand is um, uh, prices getting picked from the right price list. Now save the sales order. Now let's see how the prices can be maintained using mass maintenance or via the Excel template. So for that you need to open the price list fact sheet and click on the download option, which downloads the price list, and then user can maintain or means update the price list. So the creation has to be done via the UI, and the maintenance or update of a price list should be done by the Excel template. And now user has to navigate to make sure it has the SAP Business by Design add-in. Here user has to enter the logon option, click on the logon option, enter the URL of the system, and now enter the username and the password user credentials of the system. And after that, click on logon, and the system in the Excel you would have logged in to the system. And after the successful logon, user has to click on save data to pricing, and here user has to now either change the existing price of a product or enter a new product. Both are possible. And now click on the save data to backend, and here the data gets saved in the system. Now as you could see, the product prices change from 1000 to 2000 uh, value. In this case, euro specific price list, the prices should be changed from 1000 euros to 2000 euros.